Hi, I'm Frank and this is Chaos Frogs. I just wanted to give you a quick update on my pile of shame. I've been working hard on my Death Guard and I wanted to finish my 3 4-headed bloat-drones with heavy blight launchers this week and my Lord of Virulence, but I just couldn't do it. One of the drones is battle ready now and 2 of them are in this primed and a little bit dry brushed state, but on the bright side, I have to say, I finished my Lord of Virulence, completely finished like a half an hour ago. But to get my video out this week on it's Sunday already, I cannot do it painting these 3. But I will be back with a vengeance next week, I promise that. But I just wanted to take the opportunity to tell you what I've painted recently. So my pile of shame was more than 7,000 points. I've made quite a dent into it. I've painted 3 Death Shroud. I've scratch built my own Lord of Poxes recently. There was a video on the channel about that as well. And now the Lord of Virulence has been added. And then it was the most successful video in long form on my channel, painting Typhus and converting Typhus and painting him up with a pile of diseased Ultramarines on the base. That had more than 10,000 views. That's about like 8,000 or something, or 9,000 more than my usual video gets. I'm pretty happy usually when I get 1,000 views or something. So if you get the opportunity, just give this video a like and subscribe and watch another video after this. Just leave it running. If you leave the PC, I don't care. Help a brother out. But yeah, I've painted 7 of my Death Guard. Those are from the Heroes box. What was it called? Space Marine Heroes, yes. And they were battle ready, but I've finished them to try my color scheme out. I have a new color scheme that is more on the higher contrast side with brighter highlights and then rust toning down some of the other stuff that is like really bright silver next to rusty stuff. And more verdigris, more rust, yeah, and like brighter yellows and reds as well. And yeah, that's my new style, and I tried it out. And problem is, I have 49 Plague Marines that are battle ready. I hope they don't fall down when I tilt them like this. Yeah, they don't. It's 49 Plague Marines, so let's say it's basically 50. I have another one that I'm experimenting with. This is like it's gonna be golden, but I've just no idea what I'm doing with that guy. But yeah, I'm rambling. So let's make it 50 Plague Marines battle ready. Then I have what else is battle ready? This one drone here, and I think that's 1,050 points battle ready. And then I have my handy list here on my Warhammer app. And stuff that I've finished completely recently is 525 points. That's this row here. Death Shroud and a lot of Poxes, a lot of Virulence, Typhus, and 7 dudes, 7 Plague Marines. That is my finished stuff. So it's 1,575 points that are painted and playable, but these guys have to be finished. So yeah. And yeah, I think that makes it 5,800 or 6,000 points on my pile of shame still. Problem is, I've bought something else. So I've bought 2 more boxes of Death Shroud recently because I want to make a video where I convert 2 boxes up to make a unit of 6, but make them look different from each other. Let's say like you want that new combo with the, let me just reach into my collection here. There's the Lord of Contagion and you want 6 Death Shroud. That's just such a deadly unit. And you can deep strike them in 6 inches or more with their new rule. When all of the enemy units are in contagion range, so it's really brutal. It's debatable if you even need 6 because they are so killy. And this guy even stands up again when he's killed, so that's a really good combo. But problem is, there's only 3 sculpts of Death Shroud. So I want to, in a future video, I want to explore that. So I bought, I think that's 280 points more for my pile of shame. and I still have another 3 Death Shot that are already built up into this build, so I have to try to convert them, but they are already built. One of my friends built them, so it's a little bit more difficult to convert them up. And then something else I need another Lord of Contagion. And as you know, probably, there is that Lord Faltheus guy that they just said it's a Lord of Contagion now. He probably wasn't, but the Chaos the Chaos Lord and Terminator armor is not a thing anymore, so they just said, he's a Lord of Contagion now, because this guy here, that I have another copy of this guy, is the same of this, but I converted them up to have less like clutter, like these spikes in this fire, whatever. I'm just saying, I've one of them to convert, and I have another Typhus as well, so I might just mash this guy, Typhus and Lord Faltheus, into one amalgamation in the future, but I'm not sure about that yet. So yeah, a lot of stuff for my Death God to come, and this series, Death God Diaries, this is number, I don't even know, 12 or something, 11. So I hope you enjoy my journey through the Death God pile of shame, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. So keep on painting, keep on building, and see you next time. And if you appease the algorithm god, then click another video while you're at it. And don't forget to click that frog.